Building the human capacity of the Freetown City Council, the Sierra Leone Police and the Freetown City Council, in collaboration with Sierra Leone Peacekeeping and Law Enforcement Academy, has commenced 2-month training session for 50 Metropolitan Police of the Freetown City Council. While addressing the recruits on Monday, August 23rd, at the Sierra Leone Police School at Hastings in Freetown, the Human Resource Manager of the Freetown City Council, Claudius J. Campbell, said it was not the first time the Sierra Leone Police and the Freetown City Council had such collaboration and engagement.
It will be interesting to know that this is not the first time the Freetown City Council and the Sierra Leone Police have had such collaboration and engagement. In recent history, if my memory will serve me well, I can vividly remember in 2008 we had a set of very successful recruits that came to BTS as it was then known, and also in 2010 there was also another set, a very successful set that passed through the police training school. But today, what we are experiencing today is to first have a feel of the transformation from police training school to SILEA, Sierra Leone Academy. You know, recruits, you are very lucky. Your predecessors went through a training school. You have the golden opportunity of passing through an academy. If you know what that means, you will seize the opportunity and make.
Speaking on the recruitment process, the Chairman, Labour Establishment and Security Committee of the Freetown City Council, Councillor Collins Pierce, disclosed that a large number of applicants applied for the recruitment process, but only 50 were selected to go through the training.
From a large number of applicants that applied to join the Metropolitan Police force, only 50 of you have been selected. 5 of you will be trained as officers again, 45 as constables. Compass that doesn't waver. It is also literal meaning, having holiness of character, just as all number without fractions.
The Chief Administrator of the Freetown City Council, Festus Kale, also emphasized on integrity. He said, in the charge of duty, people really have to ensure that integrity is strongly underscored.
Integrity is strongly underscored, because we are going to a family of 650 staff involved in Freetown City Council. That's a big family. And then we have a series of departments that require your support in terms of enforcement, in terms of revenue mobilization, in terms of sanitation, a whole range of issues. And many times, this job is discretionary, but then it beholds everyone, all of you sitting here, to ensure that you work with integrity, with passion, with love. Because one thing I always say, you as members of the youth have responsibility to ensure that whatever thing you do in life, not before the iniquities of your one generations and responsibilities. So setting the pace for prosperity, for love, for unity. This is the platform. You have to be very much committed to what you're doing. You have to be sincere. You have to be very much devoted.
In his statement, the acting mayor of the Freetown City Council, Usman Tolo Koroma, commended Sierra Leone Peacekeeping and Law Enforcement Academy for working together with the Freetown City Council for helping in rebranding their institution. He said, with all the good work in collaboration between the Sierra Leone Police and the Freetown City Council, he heartily, on behalf of the mayor, who was unavoidably absent, appreciated the leadership of the Sierra Leone Police for the support they have been giving to them.
The Metropolitan Police and the Sierra Leone Police, I think it's good enough for me standing here this morning to heartily, on behalf of the mayor, even Akinwaya, to appreciate the leadership of the SLP for the great support they've been giving us in City Council. Not only to support us in the training, but they've been very supportive to us in administering day-to-day affairs of the city. It is good enough in some of these events, we let the people of this country or the people of the city know that the police have been very supportive to the Freetown City Council. Madam DIG, may I say thank you very much.
In her keynote address, the Deputy Inspector General of the Sierra Leone Police, Mrs. Elizabeth Augusta Toure, thanks the anti-mayor for the gender representation. She explained that when the commandant was going through the list of those who were about to go through the training, she said she was very curious to know the gender parity.
What we do in terms of gender representation, mainstreaming, it should actually reflect our duties vis-a-vis the people we come in contact with. So, acting mayor, please take note. The next training we expect to have more women. There are many ways we can do it in terms of marketing to get women attracted to the Metropolitan Police. You know, we have job fairs, other activities, engagement, so that we can actually engage them. There is a traditional perception. There are certain areas they believe women don't have a role to play. But we can actually, imbibe in them that the Metropolitan Police for women representation is very key. So I want to thank you very much. Please continue to work very hard. The next training we expect to have more women, so that at least we can actually make sure that it's represented.
For Beyond Borders Online Network Television, I am MOHAMED AMARA GANDO reporting.